Okay guys, let's have a look into a couple of hives, see what's happening. I haven't been in this one for 7 days. I've noticed that the floor needs levelling up now. These haven't got a super on, but they have got a queen excluder. This is hive number 12. Now this is a new hive tool from China, stainless steel, and it's got a serrated knife on the end. Not my preferred choice, but the other ones are in a sterilizer. Okay, queen's not on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 seams of bees. We'll give them a bit of a smoke. Take out the dummy board first. Nobody important on there. It's quite heavy. Yeah, that's full of stores. Chocker with stores. Capped over, and that's new. Because the cappings are white. If the cappings are very dark, it means it's not so new, because they've been walking over it for a period of time. Now this one's very empty. Nothing in this one at all. Take it back. If I can get the angle of the light right. No, I think I'd say that's just fully drawn out. It's fully drawn out. These are not the calmest of bees, but they're not too bad. A bit defensive. Hopefully they're going to repair this frame. Putting nectar in there, but the holes in it. Hopefully they will repair that. This one's heavier. This is full of eggs. I don't know if you can see the eggs on there or not. It's full of eggs. This side's full of pollen. Good pollen frame. Lots of different coloured pollen, so it's not from one source, which is good. So this is the first frame. Okay, that's pollen, so I should expect brood on the next one. Let's keep them calm by smoking it. Don't be afraid to use your smoker. It does send them down instead of having a cloud of bees around you. Yeah, and as thought, this one's full of cap brood, larvae. And eggs. Eggs in virtually every cell. That one you can probably see the brood and the larvae better. So I've got 2 cameras on today just to see which one gives me the best close-ups. So far I've got a couple of empty frames. Well, I say empty, they're drawn out, but they're, you know, they're not short of frames. Oh, now this is a full drones. Seed drones, especially when there's holes in the frames. I like to have a look for cells. Can't see no queen cells or cups on there. And on this one. They're in that corner for a reason. Oh yeah, they put nectar there. You smoke them, then they want the nectar. Sorry girls, push that one a bit far, give them a bit of a jolt. This frame again, full of larvae. You can see how the queen's working really well. In the centre there's all larvae, the outside is emerging brood. She's doing a cracking job. Let's hope we can see her. Should be marked yellow. Yeah, where they've emerged their eggs. So again, another good frame. So in the next 10 or 12 days there's going to be a lot of bees in here. Yeah, another frame, cap brood. Around the outside at the top they're putting nectar and pollen and bee bread. At the bottom they've got eggs. I'm not seeing that many drones on the frame, to be fair. Not many drones at all. So they ain't thinking of swarming just yet, but we did see that one frame full of drones, so they've got plans. They won't swarm without drones, so. Is this going to be another time that I don't see the queen? Could well be, but I know there's eggs everywhere. Yeah, it's an empty frame. They've drawn all that out ready. I'm sure the queen will be laying on that soon. I'm pretty sure. This one's not drawn out. So what we do is move it over. Put that one there to encourage them to draw that out. And this last frame is going to be, yeah, all drawn out ready. Oh, looks like that looks like the remnants of brood in there from I don't know when. Oh no, it's not brood, it's rock hard. I'm not really sure what that was. I don't think it's chalk brood. They're not normally that stuck in. But never mind, it might be some sugar. All crystallised honey. Okay, that's enough for this one. It's doing okay. All I'm going to do now is level the floor up a bit because it is a bit wonky. Is that level? That's a lot better. It's a lot better. There's 4 frames there. I'm not going to give them any more. I know they've got a bit of sugar in there. I'll let them keep that. Come on, up. I'm going to just polish that off in the next couple of days. I'll swap it, put another box on. No, happy days. Hive number 12.